Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on pyramids. The base of a pyramid is a flat shape with straight sides. The number of sides determines the name of the pyramid. For example, if the base is a square, then the object is called a square pyramid. The other faces are in the shape of triangles. A pyramid has an uppermost point called the apex. Examples: the triangular pyramid. The base is a triangle, and that is the reason for its name. Tetrahedron. A tetrahedron is a special type of triangular pyramid where all four triangles are exactly the same size and shape. Square pyramid. The base is a square. Pentagonal pyramid. The base is a pentagon. Hexagonal pyramid. The base is a hexagon. Octagonal pyramid. The base is an octagon. Rectangular pyramid. The base is a rectangle. Cone. A cone is like a pyramid, but it is so named because it has a circular base. Pyramids in real life. The pyramids of Egypt are very good examples of pyramids in real life.